General knowledge. Quiz. If you get 6 out of 6, trust me. You have 100% IQ level 1. Which animal can fly backwards?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hummingbird. 2. Which animal has the strongest bite force?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sheltwater crocodile. 3. Which animal can live without water for a long time?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Kangaroo rat. 4. Which animal has the fastest land speed?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cheetah. 5. Which animal has the longest migration?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Arctic tern. 6. Which animal has the longest gestation period?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Elephant.